Hey everybody, before this video gets started, I just want to talk a little bit, welcome you guys. It's 240 SX KA24DE engine build, rebuild, should I say. And yeah, I just want to welcome you guys into the series. It's going to be a little long, but I'm trying my best to edit this down. This is a really in-depth. If you guys have questions, just ask them. So here we go.
Oh, that is why I have the camera set up.
Did you just give yourself an axe?
No, man, I just hit myself in the stomach, but then plug in the drill.
Here I am just taking out the fan. It's 4 10mm bolts, if I remember correctly. Just a little FYI. I'm just doing a little talk over on this video.
Also, somehow I lost my 3/8 socket.
Your tree socket?
Yeah, the one that came with my toolkit.
What do you mean 3/8 socket?
The wrench.
Oh, the ratchet?
Yeah, I don't know where it is.
We were completely delirious. This was after we removed the engine out of the car the same night.
Ah! All our subscribers in.
What did you say?
Well, some of all our subscribers in. Fan builds.
Oh. I was like, what in the world are you saying?
I don't know, I had a stroke, I think. Here's your magnetic trade, you dingleberry.
I'm your biggest fan.
No, actually, this looks like it's like a crown.
Don't put it on your
Ew,
head.
I touched myself with it.
This is the viscous clutch.
Yeah, swing my clutch, Daddy.
Shit.
You have announced your presence twice.
This was after like 6 hours of working on the car and the engine, and so yeah, you can tell we're really out of it. So it's just sorry, we're just trying our best to get this thing apart. This first little bit, we didn't get very much done at all.
As I predicted. Good morning.
Morning.
Good night. I love you.
Oh, this man.
Here we're trying to remove the upper timing cover. We could not figure it out to begin with, but we're trying.
This is mine, well, but leave your socket. No!
God, you're so mean.
I need to start screaming.
Here we're struggling to remove the distributor. Lo and behold, it was just you have to pull really hard on it and it comes out.
I'm Tyler.
Wow, that's your kind of act.
Here I'm just trying to remove the heat shield on the exhaust.
What is the camera aiming at?
Could be us.
Does it not be? This is not it.
Is it not? It was pointing at the engine.
It's like way over.
Eh. Close enough. It's too close to break.
Not sponsored by Cookout, but if Cookout wants to sponsor us,
Totally hit us up.
and I'm lactose intolerant.
We'd gladly take some cookout, but oh well. What can you say? Yeah, and here the exhaust manifold bolts were incredibly loose. Like, I mean, that looked like it took some effort, but removing them off of a few other cars, this was by far the easiest, which is very alarming. This engine is strangely weird to take apart. Because some were really easy, some were really hard. I'm using just a standard drill to take them off. Not hard at all.
I worry that she may have gone down to Australia.
It hit every single metal thing it could have hit. Was that a nut?
Yeah, we had just lost one of the spacers off the exhaust bolts.
When you're working on a 240 that's never been busted with before, it's always WD-40 time.
A good old K-Davis.
To blow it all over since the fan. I mean, probably just everywhere, just like, let's be real.
Actually, half the other bolts are already coated in oil.
That's true.
Yeah, this engine had oil that was almost half an inch to 3/4 of an inch deep. In some places, it's pretty
We
scary.
don't know where anything went now.
I
that we
put it all
stuff
away.
That's why I never put stuff away. Shoot. I was like, what is that?
That drive was so big.
I was
Say
like,
no lies.
we're being haunted here.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Here we're trying to remove the EGR tube from the exhaust to the intake, and it would not come off.
Wait, isn't that supposed to stop that from turning?
Yeah. We have a light switch.
And this sort of is the conclusion to this video. If you guys stayed this far, please like, share, subscribe. Would really appreciate it. Love you guys. Have a good night.